What's actually inside an intercontinental ballistic missile silo? And how does it launch? This is the most powerful underground fortress America built during the Cold War. Buried beneath layers of steel and concrete stands the largest missile ever deployed in American history, the Titan II. This intercontinental ballistic missile could complete its launch sequence in under 1 minute and survive a nearby nuclear explosion. So what does the inside actually look like? The silo stretches roughly 92 meters deep and is divided into 3 main sections: the Launch Control Center, the Access Corridor and Security Zone, and the missile silo itself. The entry tunnel is the only way in, descending about 10 meters underground with a staircase and a freight elevator. But getting inside is anything but simple. It requires a strict multi-step verification process. First, you call from the outer gate to request entry, and you have exactly 3 minutes for that gate to open. Miss that window and the alarm triggers automatically. Once inside, you still have to make a third phone call from a restricted zone and use a one-time security code card. Only after clearing every single checkpoint can you request access through the blast door and enter the anti-theft lock zone. This area acts as a buffer between the surface world and the underground world below. Built entirely from reinforced concrete, it contains 4 massive blast doors, each one weighing a staggering 2,700 kilograms. And here's the part that really shows how seriously they took security. No 2 adjacent doors can ever be opened at the same time. Go deeper and you reach the Launch Control Center. This is the heart of the entire facility. It's a 3-level cylindrical structure suspended inside the complex by 8 enormous shock absorption springs, designed to withstand the seismic waves from a nuclear detonation. The first level serves as living quarters for the crew. The second level is the launch control area, where the commander and their deputy each hold 1 launch key. And here's the chilling detail. Both keys must be turned.